operator was operating an excavator for excavation. Then he drove the excavator to another location of the slope to work. While the excavator was traveling down the slope, it overturned suddenly and the operator was thrown out of the operator's cabin. Then he was crushed by the overturned excavator. While the excavator was traversing down the slope face, the inclination caused the center of gravity of the excavator to move off its base and to overturn. Besides, the operator had not fastened his seatbelt, so he was thrown out of the operator's cabin and crushed to death by the overturned excavator. If an excavator has to travel on a slope face, it must be driven straight up and down the slope at slow speed rather than traversing the slope. To prevent overturning, an excavator must not be driven on slopes exceeding the maximum angle of inclination as recommended by the manufacturer. For the sake of safety, an operator must always fasten the seat belts. In case the excavator is overturned, he will not be thrown out of the operator's cabin and sustain serious injuries. Take adequate safety precautions and work safely.
機手揸住部俗稱雞頭嘅挖掘機進行挖掘工作，之後雞頭要去山坡另一位置做嘢。雞頭沿住斜坡向下行駛，期間雞頭忽然翻側，機手亦被拋出駕駛室外，之後被雞頭砸住。當時雞頭橫向行駛落斜坡。由於斜坡嘅傾斜度引致雞頭重心偏離底部，雞頭就翻側咗。仲有機手冇扣安全帶，所以佢喺雞頭翻側嘅時候被拋出駕駛室，被雞頭砸死。若果雞頭要喺山坡斜面行駛，應沿住斜面直線向上或向下慢駛，而唔應該喺斜面上橫向行駛。另外，雞頭亦唔應該喺一啲超過製造商建議嘅最大傾斜度嘅斜面行駛，以免發生翻側意外。喺操作雞頭嘅時候，機手亦必須扣好安全帶，就算雞頭翻側，亦不至於被拋出駕駛室造成嚴重傷亡。做足安全措施就可以安心工作啦。